In this video, we're going to show you how to install ignition wires on your Cadillac Escalade located on each side of your engine. Once you open up your hood, on each side of the engine you're going to locate 4 ignition wires on each side. I'm going to go ahead and pull off the plug boot here. If that doesn't want to come off, you can use the wire pliers here. Gently twist and wiggle that off. If you go up underneath here, you can grab that boot and pull it off of the coil. Take one of your new wires here. If you reach up right here underneath this cover, you can feel the port for the ignition coil. Push that up inside. You're going to feel it snap into place. Take the lower part of the wire, slide that over the spark plug, push it on, and you feel it snap on. Repeat for the other 7.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.